Alright, so today we're here to talk about the 71025. We've had issues in the past with these, with the threads being stripped out, so we came up with a dampener kit that's going to kind of absorb some of the shocks that this thing can go through. So to install it, all you need is a half-inch box style wrench, a half-inch Allen head key, and then a inch and a 1/16 socket. So you're going to remove the nuts and bolts that are on both sides of this flange, and then you're going to take out this long screw. You want to have a little bit of caution because it has a lot of grease in there. You don't want it to fly all over your facility. Once you remove the long set screw, it's quite simple. You just want to install the washers on the outside and the grommets on the inside. You just want to kind of sandwich them together. You go ahead and pull them all the way up to the very top. And then basically repeat the process in reverse. I'm going to reinstall the threads. Once that's fully installed, you can just put the Allen head bolts back through the flange, tighten the nuts with your box wrench, and there you have it. You have an upgraded 71025.